हकीकत में वो लुत्फ़े ज़िंदगी पाया।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This Secular Institute of Education, Pulwama, and I am Ghulam Muhammad Sheikh, your English teacher. This is for class 5th. The title, it is lesson number 10. Lesson number 10, and it is titled as Sawami and his father. Sawami and his father. About the story. First of all, we will try to know about the story. This is a story about Sawami and his father. The story, which is titled as Sawami and his father, it is about the Sawami and his father. It is actually a fiction, and it has been taken from the famous cartoonist R.K. Narayana's first novel. I mean to say that this lesson, Sawami and his father, it has been actually taken from the novel Sawami and Friends, and it has been written by the famous cartoonist R.K. Narayana. So it was about this. Sawami thought that holidays were meant for fun. तो सवामी जो थे वो सोच रहे थे कि जो छुट्टियां होती है वो फन के लिए होती है, एम्यूजमेंट के लिए होती है, उसमें लुत्फ उठाना होता है, एंड प्ले ओनली. इट वाज सवामी, it was his notion that holidays are wholly solely meant for fun and play only. It was Sawami. It was his idea relating the holidays. But his father, he didn't agree with Sawami. जो उसके बाप थे, किसके? सवामी के जो बाप थे, वो उसकी ऐसी सोच नहीं थी. यानी वो अपने जो उसके बेटे थे, सवामी थे, उसके साथ वो इत्तेफाक नहीं कर रहे थे. तो लेसन को शुरू करते हैं. सवामी's father was an officer in the district court. तो सवामी के जो फादर थे वो ऑफिसर थे. कहाँ? डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में वो ऑफिसर थे. Every year the courts were closed for a week in the month of May. तो हर साल ऐसा होता था कि in the month of May these courts they were closed for a month, not for a month, for a week, for a week. एक हफ्ते के लिए जो कोर्ट्स थे वो क्या रहते थे? बंद, है ना? किस मंथ में? इन द मंथ ऑफ मे. ओके. दिस ईयर इट वॉज वेरी हॉट, but this year it was very hot, and father spent his afternoons at home. This year, why the father spent his afternoons at home? Because it was too hot. बहुत गर्मी थी, तो आफ्टरनून्स जो है उसने कहाँ वो गुजारते थे? घर में. गुड. सवामी फियर्ड, सवामी को खौफ था. इट माइट इंटरवेन विद हिज आफ्टरनून रैम्बल्स. रैम्बल्स क्या होता है कि जो वो घूम रहे थे आफ्टरनून के बाद, वो उधर इधर घूम रहे थे, तो उसमें मुदाखलत हो जाएगी, इंटरफेयर हो जाएगा. सवामी को ये खौफ था. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके जो अब्बू थे वो जाया करते थे कहाँ? छुट्टियां गुजारने के लिए. उनका जो कोर्ट था वो बंद रहता था, लेकिन अब की बार वहां बहुत गर्मी थी और अब वो कहाँ थे? घर में ही, है ना? तो सवामी को खौफ हुआ कि मुझे मुदाखलत हो जाएगी. किसमें? कि आफ्टरनून रैम्बल्स जो मैं करता हूं, कि आफ्टरनून के बाद, दोपहर के बाद में घूमता हूं, तो उसमें मुझे क्या हो जाएगी? उसमें इंटरवेन हो जाएगा, उसमें मुदाखलत हो जाएगी, ठीक। एंड हिज फियर्स प्रूव्ड राइट, और जो उसका खौफ था कि मेरे आफ्टरनून रैम्बल्स जो है, जो दोपहर के बाद में घूमा करता हूं, उसमें मुदाखलत हो जाएगी, दैट प्रूव्ड राइट, दैट प्रूव्ड राइट। ऑन द थर्ड डे ऑफ हिज वोकेशन, when it was third day of vacation, Father Oscar Swami, he told Swami, just as he was stepping out of the house, तो जब भी वो कौन बाहर जाने वाले थे, कौन, स्वामी, तो अब्बू उसके घर पे ही थे, तो अब्बू ने उसको रोक के कहा, हाँ क्या कहा, स्वामी where are you going? तो it was his father, he was at home, and when his son Swami, he was about to step out from the house, and he was asked by his father that why are you going, where are you going? And the response from Swami was nowhere, I am going nowhere, मुझे कहीं नहीं जाना है. Why were you yesterday at this time? Where were you yesterday at this time? तो कल इसी समय, at this time, आप कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? इसी समय आप कल कहाँ थे? Here. It was Swami. Swami responded, here. I was here. Then you're lying. His father told whom? Swami, that you're lying. You were not here yesterday. Swami told, this father told Swami that you're lying. You're not telling the reality, and it's a fact that yesterday you were not here. And you are not going out now. And you are not going out now. And you are not going out now. You were not yesterday. And you are not going out now. और अब आप नहीं जा रहे हैं. Father took Swami to his room. Now he told him that you cannot go out. And father took Swami. He held his hand and took him to his room. Okay. He pointed to the thin layer of dust on the Swami's books and asked. He saw there that there in the desk, he saw there is a thin layer of dust. वहाँ एक धूल की एक तह चढ़ी है. तो उसने उसकी किताबों पे और पूछा, how many days it is since you touched your books? How many days it is since you touched your books? कितने दिन हो गए कि आपने किताबों को छुआ है? कितने दिन पहले आपने किताबों को छुआ है? Father, should I read even when I have no school? तो हमें भी इस बात को समझना है. आज भी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हमारी नॉर्मल स्कूलिंग नहीं हो रही है, और हमें भी ऐसे ही जो रिस्पॉन्स अपने पेरेंट्स को, गार्डियंस को नहीं देना चाहिए कि नॉर्मल स्कूलिंग नहीं हो रही है. कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि हमारे जो जहाँ हम किताबें रखते हों, जो हमारे डेस्क्स हो, जो हमारे उस पे भी कहीं क्या ना हो, धूल ना हो. तो फादर ने उससे पूछा, नहीं, स्वामी ने उसको जवाब दिया, should I read even when I have no school? क्या मुझे तब भी पढ़ना चाहिए जबकि मैं स्कूल न जाता हूँ? Do you think you have passed BA? Do you think you have passed BA? Who told?
Father.
Father told to whom?
Swami.
Swami, do you think you have passed BA? Do you think that you have passed BA? It was the question which the father asked to whom? To his son Swami. It was for today, and inshallah next class will be tomorrow. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.